This is Peaches having a home visit with George and Hoover. I'm thinking it's going pretty well.
Hoover, go get it, go get it.
Poor George is going to need a nap in a minute. Peaches, what do you think of these boys? Say, oh, I like the ratio.
Yes, oh, I know, you're so excited you can hardly stand it, huh?
Look at her, she's now starting to play now.
Oh, she's loving this. She's like, look at this. I got one over here. I got one over there. When one tire's out, I have another one.
Hi, Peaches.
Oh, you're all
Hi,
slobbery.
baby. Yes, you are.
Slobbery.
Yes.
Oh, that's too cute.
Oh, slobbery.
Yeah, you're a good girl. Oh, yes, you are a good girl.
I
Yes.
think Hoover and George really... Oh, there she goes. In for the hug.
Do that O and R's between the two, yay.
Hi, hi, hi.